Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Stock Price Predictions. And boy, do we have a lot to talk about today. Got my boy Jaden with me. He's joining us for this episode. Hope you guys, are entertained with the baby here. Hit that subscribe button for me if you would. Help us out. All right, let's get into what's going on with this crazy market. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up 25% in the last 10 days. That's huge. That's outperforming the markets big time. Now, Bitcoin is hitting a critical resistance at 28.5. So hopefully we can break through it. I'm a Bitcoin holder, a Bitcoin bull, and I'm ready to get back to the moon, which was at 65K. So hopefully we can get there soon. We're having support. Bitcoin's having support at around 28,000. When you look at the technicals, and I did my technical analysis on it, we're looking at about 28,000, and we really need to break through 28.5. Wouldn't be a big deal if it did, go under and fall through support. I mean, it's gone up so much, and it's outperforming the markets big time. So the S&P 500 is basically flat within the last year, but Bitcoin's making huge gains. So I'm happy to be invested in Bitcoin. What about you guys? Are y'all into crypto? Are y'all into Bitcoin? Are y'all holding Bitcoin at this time? Let me know. I'd like to hear your opinions in the comment section. Also, I want to go over the stocks I bought today. Let me know if you bought any stocks. The stocks that I bought today were AMD. It had a good little dip today. So I went ahead and took advantage of that dip, AMD. Also, I went ahead and bought some NVIDIA. It didn't have a huge dip, but I did buy some because I want to make my position bigger in NVIDIA. I bought some Microsoft. It had a dip. I did try to get some Amazon early this morning. I didn't get it. I missed it. I am watching Amazon though. When Amazon gets to around $97, if it dips that low again, I will be buying some Amazon. I'm also watching Meta. When it hits around 195, that's a price target I want to get it at. Also watching, I want to start a position in Chipotle. Good business model, great profits. I listened to the earnings calls. They sound great. Love the CEO. So I think the business is going to be here for a while, and it's going to make lots of profit. So I'm watching Chipotle. I want to get it around 1580. Start a position in that. Also want to start a position in Ulta, and my price target for that is around $4.99. If I can get it under 500, I will be getting it. Let me know what you guys are watching, what stocks or cryptos you guys are watching in the market. Those are a list of mine. We got Meta, Chipotle, Ulta. Let me know what you guys are watching right now at this point in time. I'm keeping my eye on the 5-year break evens. That's what the Fed watches a lot to determine how he's going to raise interest rates. They were ticking down, but this morning they ticked back up. The last couple weeks they started to tick back down, but for some reason this morning they did tick up. So hopefully the Fed, let's get into that meeting that's coming up tomorrow. What's he going to do? Is he going to do a 25-point increase, a pause? Is he going to cut rates? What's your opinion? Due to the banking crisis that's going on, I really think that he should pause. I think that's what he should do, but I don't think that's what he's going to do. I think he's going to raise still 0.25 basis points. What do you guys think? He's got to pause, in my opinion, to help these banks out because they are just getting, they're just getting destroyed right now. Well, what do you think, Jaden? What do you think is going to happen? So we'll see with that. But the 5-year inflation break evens are starting to tick back up. Not good. So I'm keeping my eye on that. Now, if we just get a 25 basis point hike tomorrow, moon time, in my opinion. If we get a pause, moon time, in my opinion. Now, if he cuts rates, I could be a little bearish because that's a signal of something going on in the markets and in the banking that we don't know about. We do know a lot that they are falling and crashing, but a cut right now would be kind of bearish for the markets. So I'm hoping for a 25 basis point hike or maybe a pause. So I think 25 would be great. Either way, I think Mooney time. What do you guys think? Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Also, bottom of the market, I am thinking happen in 2022. What is your opinion? You know, the market's been going up. A lot of the stocks have gone up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%. So I really feel like for us to break new lows, there's going to have to be some type of black swan, they say. Something big to break it. Something big to make the market fall. Surprisingly, the banks crashing did not cause too much panic in the markets, which is pretty crazy. So, bottom may have been 2022. Hopefully, I'm a bull. I'm long. I'm not short the market at all. I'm just buying every day, buying stocks. So what's your strategy? Let me know in the comment section. Are y'all shorting the market? What are you guys doing? Buying calls, buying puts? All I do is invest and just buy stocks each day. Ain't that right, Jaden? Yeah. That's all we do. No shorting. So after tomorrow, we'll see what the interest rate's going to be. In my personal opinion, I think we need to keep the interest rate at 4 to 4.5%, just because the economy is so strong, and that'll somewhat keep inflation under control. If he starts cutting too fast, inflation's going to go, and it's going to rise quick. So, we don't want that to happen again, because then it's bear time. Bear time in the markets. So we got to keep that inflation down, interest rates up. This economy can hold. We don't have nothing to worry about. And inflation is dropping. It came down on the last CPI report. If you look at true inflation, go on the website, you will see that it's still continuing to fall. So we should be good on that. Okay. I may go live tomorrow for the Fomc meeting. Leave me a comment in the comment section if you want me to. If you want to watch it with me, I'll go over everything. If not, I'll definitely make a video after and give a recap on what happened with the meeting. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll definitely be talking again tomorrow. See y'all on the next one.